Think you've mastered the basics? Let's put that to the test. In this round, we're looking at another batch of 40 of the UK's most familiar road signs, the ones you pass every day but might not give a second glance. It's time to find out if your memory and instincts are truly road-ready. Keep count, stay sharp, and let us know your score in the comments. Question 1. What does this sign indicate about an upcoming junction? A. Junction marker. B. Crossroad notification. C. 100 yards to a junction ahead. The answer is C. 100 yards to a junction ahead. Question 2. What kind of pedestrian alert does this sign give? A. Elderly people zone. B. Pedestrian crossing ahead. C. Pedestrians present. The answer is B. Pedestrian crossing ahead. Question 3. What speed limit applies where this sign is shown? A. National speed limit applies. B. End of speed restriction. C. Information sign for vehicles. The answer is A. National speed limit applies. Question 4. What type of direction guidance does this sign provide? A. Exit number sign. B. Junction, direction sign. C. Route marker. The answer is B. Junction direction sign. Question 5. What kind of traffic flow is indicated? A. Reversible lane. B. Dual carriageway. C. Two-way traffic. The answer is C. Two-way traffic. Question 6. What does this priority sign mean? A. Traffic has priority over vehicles from the opposite direction. B. Vehicles must yield. C. Priority road. The answer is A. Traffic has priority over vehicles from the opposite direction. Question 7. Where is this road sign officially recognized? A. BVI roundabout sign. B. Road sign that appears in the British Virgin Islands driver's manual. C. Tropical speed limit. The answer is B. Road sign that appears in the British Virgin Islands driver's manual. Question 8. What should drivers expect ahead according to this sign? A. Roundabout. B. Roadworks. C. Signals ahead. The answer is C. Signals ahead. Question 9. What does this sign warn pedestrians about? A. School zone. B. Children playing. C. Pedestrians in road ahead. The answer is C. Pedestrians in road ahead. Question 10. What does this sign indicate about a junction? A. 50 yards to junction ahead, controlled by a give way sign. B. Priority sign, 50 yards. C. Merge 50 yards. The answer is A. 50 yards to junction ahead, controlled by a give way sign. Question 11. What does this turn-based sign instruct drivers to do? A. Filter in turn sign. B. Merge in turn. C. Wait your turn. The answer is A. Filter in turn sign. Question 12. What traffic change does this sign show? A. Change of direction. B. Two-way traffic ahead across a one-way carriageway. C. Merge warning. The answer is B. Two-way traffic ahead across a one-way carriageway. Question 13. What does this motorway sign indicate? A. Next exit 10 miles. B. Fuel stop ahead. C. 10 miles to the next motorway service area. The answer is C. 10 miles to the next motorway service area. Question 14. What is this sign primarily for? A. Information sign for vehicles. B. Driver alert panel. C. Vehicle restrictions. Notice. The answer is A. Information sign for vehicles. Question 15. What does this sign indicate regarding pedestrians? A. School zone ahead. B. Pedestrian crossing indication sign. C. Pelican crossing. The answer is B. Pedestrian crossing indication sign. Question 16. What type of historical sign is this? A. T-junction legacy sign. B. Pre-war boys committee, crossroads warning traffic sign. C. Pre-war boys roundabout sign. The answer is C. Pre-war boys committee, crossroads warning traffic sign. Question 17. What kind of road dip is being warned? A. Dip sign. B. Hump bridge. C. Flood risk. The answer is A. Dip sign. Question 18. What type of roundabout is shown? A. Mini roundabout. B. Single lane roundabout. C. Painted roundabout. The answer is A. Mini roundabout. Question 19. What road pattern does this sign indicate? A. Winding road. B. Series of bends ahead. Z-bend sign. C. Bends with grade warning. The answer is B. Series of bends. Ahead Z-bend sign. Question 20. What is this turn-related sign telling drivers to do? A. Turn right. B. Sharp right bend. C. Keep right. The answer is A. Turn right. Question 21. What distance is this sign referring to? A. 100 yards. B. Advance warning post. C. Guide sign. The answer is A. 100 yards. Question 22. What kind of legacy speed sign is this? A. Historic maximum speed. B. A pre-war boys committee, speed limit regulatory traffic sign. C. Legacy speed notice. The answer is B. A pre-Werboys committee, speed limit regulatory traffic sign. Question 23. What movement is not permitted by this sign? A. No left turn. B. Left lane must turn right. C. Left turn only. The answer is A. No left turn. Question 24. What kind of vehicle restriction is shown? A. No heavy vehicles. B. No trucks allowed. C. Goods vehicles prohibited sign. The answer is C. Goods vehicles prohibited sign. Question 25. What directional turn is prohibited? A. No right turn. B. Turn right only. C. One way. The answer is A. No right turn. Question 26. What type of movement does this sign ban? A. No U-turns. B. Roundabout entry. C. Reversal lane prohibited. The answer is A. No U-turns. Question 27. Where is this sign uniquely found? A. Local zone speed. B. The slow down sign, unique to Pitcairn. C. Warning, island traffic. The answer is B. The slow down sign, unique to Pitcairn. Question 28. What access is denied with this sign? A. One way ahead. B. Wrong way. C. No entry. The answer is C. No entry. Question 29. What parking rule is indicated? A. No waiting. B. Loading zone only. C. Stopping permitted. The answer is A. No waiting. Question 30. What movement does this sign instruct? A. Keep left. B. Turn left. C. Left bend ahead. The answer is B. Turn left. Question 31. What kind of facility is being indicated? A. Rest area. B. Lay-by. C. Parking. The answer is C. Parking. Question 32. What is not allowed on this road section? A. Narrow lanes. B. Single file traffic. C. No overtaking. The answer is C. No overtaking. Question 33. What major road instruction is given here? A. Stop sign. B. Halt at major road ahead. C. Junction control sign. The answer is B. Halt at major road ahead. Question 34. What kind of road condition is shown? A. Slippery road. B. Bump ahead. C. Road. Works ahead. The answer is C. Roadworks ahead. Question 35. What does this speed sign indicate? A. Minimum speed 20. B. 30 kilometers per hour, zone. C. 20 kilometers per hour, speed limit sign. The answer is C. 20 kilometers per hour speed limit sign. Question 36. What type of road information is being provided? A. Approach direction sign. B. Route confirmation sign. C. Advance information sign. The answer is A. Approach direction sign. Question 37. What kind of restriction does this sign place on cyclists? A. No cycling. B. Pedestrians only. C. Shared path. The answer is A. No cycling. Question 38. What railway feature does this sign warn about? A. Level crossing with barrier. B. Tramway ahead. C. Level crossing with no gates. The answer is C. Level crossing with no gates. Question 39. What lane instruction is this sign giving? A. Turn left. B. Keep left. C. Left only lane. The answer is B. Keep left. Question 40. What kind of speed enforcement is shown here? A. Speed limit 30 kilometers per hour. B. Minimum speed limit. C. End of speed limit. The answer is A. Speed limit 30 kilometers per hour. Nice job finishing this round. These signs may seem ordinary, but knowing them well keeps you and everyone else safer on the road. Keep reviewing, keep growing, and stay road ready. If you found this session helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell so you're set for the next challenge. See you in the next one.